Welcome to U-Line Service and Maintenance video series. In this video, we will show the proper cleaning process for your U-Line Nugget Ice Machine. We recommend running the cleaning cycle every 6 months. More frequent cleaning may be necessary depending on water quality. Use only U-Line recommended ice machine cleaner and follow all label warnings and directions. Using non-approved cleaner can damage the product and void warranty. Order U-Line Ice Machine Cleaner at u-line.com. To begin, dilute 2 ounces of ice machine cleaner with 2 quarts of water. Pour 1 quart of the cleaning solution into the ice spout. To accommodate the clearance at the top of the bin, a common squeeze bottle is recommended. Bottles may be ordered at u-line.com. Toggle the lower front mode switch to the swirl icon. The ice maker automatically cleans, drains, and supplies water repeatedly to clean the system. This process takes about 10 minutes. While the cleaning cycle is running, use a sponge or cloth to clean the inside of the reservoir with the remaining cleaning solution. Once the cleaning cycle has finished, pour a few ounces of clean water into the ice spout and toggle the switch to off and then back to the swirl icon to rinse the system. While this cycle is running, rinse the inside of the reservoir with clean water. With the cleaning process complete, toggle the switch to on. You are now ready to enjoy your favorite refreshment with U-Line Nugget Ice. Thanks for choosing U-Line.